Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over Tangem's update. So we've got the April, June update. So, I want to get into a couple of specifics I wrote down here. So this is the Tangem wallet, and it's a really good cold storage alternative. So we've got links for the Trezor in the link tree. We'll go over that at the end. We've got the LEPAL ledgers I talk about. And this thing is pretty cool. So it fits in your wallet. It's same thing as same size as a credit debit card. So this would be like a 2 set. You would also have the 3 card set. And basically you just tap it and you're ready to, get going with it. So if you guys want, go to the channel. And as you guys know, if you go to the channel, that is this channel, Crypto Moose, you guys can go here, type in Tangem, and I've got a wallet setup video right here. So how to set up your Tangem. Ooh, this one's got 10K views. So we're getting loose there, baby. And I give you guys my thoughts and opinions. This video is 6 minutes, and this is my 1 week review video. So there's tons of content right here on the channel for you all to view. So let's take a look at what are the updates for the Tangem wallet. So we'll get into that, then we'll go to the website. So if we take a look on the Twitters, this would be at Tangem, okay? So they follow the Moose as well, so why wouldn't you? And if we scroll down here, there are some massive updates that I want to talk about. So as a Canadian, you guys say talk about, not about, but about, right? So just joking around there. So we got April, and this is not an April Fool's joke. In April, send screen redesign. So that's going to be coming. 24-word seed phrase support. That is going to be the major one. So currently, when you log into the app, and the way this wallet works, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the app. I'll just share with you guys. This is the Tangem wallet. So that's kind of what the home screen looks like. And you're going to scan your card like this. And then you're going to put in your password. Okay. So I'm going to put in my password. I only have a couple $100 worth of I think Bitcoin on here. So you're going to scan again. Right. So you can kind of see by the side. Man, Moose is looking like Moose Bond today. Comment down below. Is the Moose getting loose or what? So there we go. NFC tag. So now I'm logged in. You guys can see that. Moose is loaded, $400. I mean, not balling like James Bond, but I mean, the Moose also doesn't have the Bond car yet. So yeah, I mean, you take a look at the wallet. The way it works when you set it up is you actually, it's a seedless backup when you set it up. So for example, most non-custodial wallets, like most cold wallets, they're non-custodial. So you get your 12, 24, in case of Cardano, it would be 15 words. That's an encrypted version of your private keys. So if you ever lose your device, what you can do is restore your wallets by inputting those words. So, you'd have 12 words. So this is going to be something that they will implement to these cards. So currently, when you set up a Tangem, guys, use the coupon code, use Moose. You set up your wallet, then you scan your second card. And if you have the 3 card set, which we'll talk about here in a minute, then you, instead of going to your words, you just go to your card. But you will in the future, it looks like you're going to have 24-word seed phrase support. So passphrase support as well. This is going to be updates. So here it says Tangem roadmap updates. April to June 2024, app development network integration. So you have that. You have additional in-app language support. So si vous parlez en français, if you talk in Spanish, I don't talk in Spanish, but the Moose can speak French. So that would help, so that would be cool. Exchange integration, provider, DEX plus bridge, really cool. New Cardano and Hedera tokens. So yeah, maybe it's going to support Kopi. We don't know, man. I mean, the thing with ADA assets, it's like Ethereum, right? So you would use ETH gas fees to send your ERC20s. So not a big deal. Tron and Polkadot transaction history. So now in May and June, the big one that I saw here was the staking. So there's going to be markets, detailed information on token, multi-accounts, design and development, staking. This is the big one. So you'll be able to stake with Solana, Cosmos, DOT, Polygon, Cardano, Avalanche, whatever. New on-ramp, off-ramp providers, best rates. So the cool thing about staking, and for those of you that don't really know, with most layer ones, proof of stake tokens, when gaining access to the remaining supply, you stake your crypto. You support the decentralization, and you get rewarded with some of the new supplies. So in the case of like ADA, you would have node operators. They would earn tokens, and you can delegate your ADA to earn some of the new supply. So really cool. I think these updates are massive. This is going to enhance what is already a powerful wallet. So this is a Tangem. If we scroll all the way down, you guys have the dimensions I showed you right here. So try to give you guys a good real world look. So that's the card. Thumbnail, Moose will smile. So really cool. It's a very slick wallet. It's plastic, nothing crazy, but you know, you got your chip in there and it works. I've been using this for the better part of 4 months now. So yeah, I really like it. It's been great. So this is the current app. I kind of showed you guys briefly. You could download it in the App Store if you're a Mac, iOS. This thing's been great. You can easily swap and you can do quite a bit. But having that 24 word recovery seed, that would be nice. Because people have messaged me like, hey, I got the 2-card set. If I lose both cards, how do I recover my crypto? Now, one of the benefits, right? It's always a risk to reward. So you set up your wallets, right? You don't see your seed phrase currently when you set up your wallets. At least that's what I think. I didn't notice that. So you set up your wallet, right? Putting it in the suit. The moose goes out. He's dancing. He gets loose. And then, you know, for whatever reason, the moose loses his tangent. Well, he goes back to his second card, right? And then the moose puts this in his wallet, loses his wallet. Then he's got a third card. Well, what if he loses 2 or 3 cards? He's going to have his words. And currently you can't do that. So that's why it's going to be a big deal. So the Tangem's pretty sweet, guys. Click on Get Tangem. Use coupon code MOOSE. Save up to 10% off. That's the 3 card. And there's also the 2 card. This thing is slick. It's really cool. So go to the link tree. And if you guys are interested in other wallets, we have them as well. Check out Kopi, check out Meld. But comment down below, what are your thoughts and opinions on the Tangem and these updates? So I think it's a major deal, and I'm looking forward to it. So that being said, the moose is loose. We have a lot of content coming out this week. And comment down below, should the moose pick up a new suit or not? Cheers.